Hi, welcome to How to Repair. If your Zanussi oven is not heating up or tripping the electrical supply, follow these 3 simple steps to find the fault on your oven. The first thing you need to check is make sure your timer is set to manual, not automatic. If you have problems with this, consult your manual. The second, after turning the oven on, make sure that the thermostat light is on, and if you are still getting no heat, there is a possibility that it could be your element. The third common fault is if your electricity supply goes off in your house every time you attempt to use the cooker, it is possible that one of the elements has gone to earth. The 2 videos below are actually links. The bottom left-hand video will take you through to a tutorial section on how to test elements in cookers. The video to the right will take you through to our tutorial section on how to change elements. You will find many videos in this section and choose the one closest to your appliance. Thanks very much for watching this video, and please remember, when visiting the website, if you cannot find the part for your cooker or oven, please do not hesitate to contact us and we will actually do the research for you and get the part listed as quick as we can. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these videos for you.